In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills using Bayad Mobile App from GCash. We'll move money from your GCash wallet into your Bayad account, and then you'll use Bayad to settle your bills. This is quick and convenient as long as you follow each screen carefully. Start by opening your GCash app and heading straight to transfer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough balance to cover your intended amount, plus any fees that may be shown. Keeping your apps updated helps avoid glitches too. Inside transfer, use the search bar and type Bayad Center. Select the matching option that appears. This route adds funds to your Bayad account. It doesn't pay a bill directly from GCash. That's by design, because Bayad will handle the bill payment once the money arrives. Next, enter the amount you want to move. Choose a figure that fully covers the bill you plan to pay in Bayad, as well as any service charges that might appear on screen. If GCash shows a fee, take note before you continue. You'll be asked for account name and account number. Enter the name exactly as it appears on your Bayad account to avoid any mismatch. For the account number, input the Bayad account or wallet number shown in your Bayad app. Type carefully and avoid extra spaces or characters. If you're copying from another screen, double-check that every digit is correct. When everything is filled in, tap Send Money. Before you confirm, pause and review all details one more time: the amount, the account name, and the account number. If anything looks off, go back and fix it now. This prevents delays and potential reversals. Once you're confident everything is accurate, proceed with the transfer. Wait for the success screen and note the reference number displayed. It's a good idea to take a screenshot or save the receipt in case you need to track the transaction later. After the transfer is done, switch over to your Bayad app. Refresh your home screen and check your balance. The amount you sent from GCash should appear shortly. If it doesn't show right away, give it a moment and refresh again. With your Bayad balance funded, you can now pay your bills in the Bayad app as you normally would. Select your biller, make sure the bill details are correct, and complete the payment. Keep your Bayad receipt or confirmation for your records. That's it. Use transfer in GCash, send to Bayad Center with the exact account details, confirm the transaction, then pay your bills in Bayad. Follow these steps each time, and your payments should be smooth and hassle-free.